on us, it is going to be 2 SP.
Good call, 2 SP.
I'm Woodruff, back to Wood.
What unit is that? Where you at on Woodruff?
Hey guys, come around again.
Anybody know where he's at on Woodruff, Roller?
Copy, guard, I'll turn up.
Have any units off scene? Woodruff there?
Taking a right. Block it in. Somebody dropped the gun.
What unit is that calling it up? What unit is that?
In the van right there, they dropped something. What's the address?
Woodruff Way, Woodville Ave.
Charlie 411. 2 Sierra X-ray, Echo 45 on Galvin. Failing to stop for me, approaching Wash. 910, I'm monitoring. Can we get a unit to stay in the street? Did you get any gunshots? He's up the weapon.
Charlie 411 Avenue.
Charlie 411.
411, go.
2 Sierra X-ray 45. Vehicle failing to stop for me. Galvin, just crossed Wash. It's a Charlie 435. I'm with the weapon.
435
This car came out of the bricks at high rate of speed. He's approaching Adams Corner. You can give out the state. C11. Disengage.
411 disengage. 411 disengage. You have that?
411, I have it. Last seen passing Adams Corner, high rate of speed towards Quincy. It's Charlie 435. I'm with
435. Where are you at with the weapon?
25 Woodville.
25 Woodville Ave.
What he was driving.
Is the weapon a firearm?
Yes, sir. Driver's window should be cracked. He tried to hit us.
910, go.
Let's just make sure we get that out to steady immediately. Can we get the unit to check the shot spotter, please?
Nothing on my shot spotter here, but we've got a couple calls for shots in the area in Standard Street. DaCosta, where are you? We're at 25 Woodville.
Go down.
What's the whole plate number? 411, what's the plate number? You only give us a partial plate before?
2 Sierra X-ray Echo, and I believe it ended in 45. 435, sorry, it's Woodgate, 25 Woodgate.
435, 25 Woodgate. Is that vehicle coming out of the Standard Street area, or is that a separate incident from the car you had before?
Sure, it came out of Morton Street Bricks, high rate of speed. That's going to be one of the suspect vehicles. 111, it was that car.
Proceed.
411, I don't have TV stuff, but it was a small, older model sedan, gray. Again with the tag. 435. So it's going to be able to get him out, but it's going to be Mass 9 Lincoln Fox 268. He's not complaining of any injuries, no EMS needed at this time. Do you have an ETA for state?
I did just give them the info. I'll check to see if they have an ETA.
Looks like a couple might be getting into it. If you want to send somebody down, it's a little bit down for me.
Alright. If for Delta 2 men that can clear for Clary's and a group.
Charlie detectives, we have it.
Received.
That car out of Weymouth has been run a few times in Boston in the month of May and April.
Brick Base, is there a directional flight for that diesel?
411, last known location was on Galvin, passing through Adams Corner, so Galvin and Granite Ave. Sorry, Galvin and Adams Street, Dorchester.
C411, you said it occupied at least twice, correct?
Charlie 111, it was 4 people in the car. Driver was a Hispanic male, probably 18.
Driver, Hispanic male, 4 vehicle received.
Payments of that vehicle, Swell Estate.